I hope everyone is having a blessed day. Today, I'm gonna show you a quick and delicious way to prepare white rice. Everyone has had rice that was sticky, clumpy, and too dry. None of those are very appetizing. I have found that the secret to an excellent rice is maintaining the grain whole, texture, and moisture. Let's get started. The first step is to measure and rinse your rice. Today, I'm using 3 cups, which is gonna feed about 6 to 8 people. We only need to rinse it once to keep the nutritional benefit, but to remove any impurities. The next step is gonna be to cut this onion because I like to put onion in my rice. When you use onion, it gives some aroma to your rice. Next is gonna be to pour some oil in your pan. You're gonna need about 2 tablespoons. When your oil is hot, you're gonna pour your onion, stir it, and leave it for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now that your onion has been cooked for about a minute, you're gonna pour your rice. Stirring it for about 3 minutes. When you are done stirring your rice for about 3 minutes, it's very important that you lower your heat to low to medium and add your water. This is one of the most important steps that a lot of people get confused. What you need to do is to put, you remember we used 3 cups of rice? Now we're gonna add 3.5 cups of water. The next step is gonna be add a tablespoon of salt. Maybe a little bit less, but almost a tablespoon. Once you add your water and your salt, put your heat on high. Now your rice is getting dry, so now it's very important you lower your heat to very low. Now it's time to cover it. Once the rice is covered, you need to leave it there for about 3 minutes with your heat very low. After covering the rice for about 3 to 4 minutes, we're gonna uncover it. Move it all around. As you see, the rice is becoming more dry and about to be ready. But one important step is to pour a little bit more water, less than half of a cup. This helps with the moisture and also to keep the rice soft and delicious. Now we're gonna check if our rice is done. It looks like it's done. Let's give it a test. Very good. Now we have our rice done. It's all ready to eat. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.